Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Ken Omolo, and on today's video I will be teaching my friend
Kennedy
Ododa how to trade on the Olymp Trade Platform. So if you are new to trading, if you have never traded before, join us on this journey and let us learn together. Without wasting too much time, let's get started. And if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, go ahead and click on that subscription button. Also make sure you turn on the notification bell so that when we do more videos about trading, you will be the first to get notified. So Kennedy, you've been asking a lot about trading. I remember we've met a couple of times outside there, and each time you keep asking about trading, and specifically trading on the Olymp Trade Platform. So this is your opportunity. Go ahead and ask everything that you need to know about trading, and I'll make it simpler for everyone else who has never traded on the Olymp Trade Platform. So we'll begin from scratch. If you are at home watching us from any device, from your laptop, from your phone, and you'd also like to ask questions, go ahead and leave them on the comments below, and I'll try as much as I can to answer all of them. So Kennedy, what do you know about trading? How do you understand trading? And give us an overview of your understanding of trading.
Okay, what I understand about trading what's on my mind right now is the idea of having to invest an amount, maybe money, a talent, or whatever it is that you have to invest in a place with the idea of having a profit afterwards.
With the idea of having a profit afterwards.
Yeah.
So that is sort of it. That is basically what trading is, according to him, in his own understanding. That is trading. And it is not far from the truth. In trading, you will invest money, you will need talent to make the right decisions, and afterwards, if your talent bears fruits, then you will make profits as a trader. We will talk more about the trading platform, the Olymp Trade trading platform, and try to explain everything in bits. But before that, there is something else that we need to do, and that is the registration of a trading account. Remember, if you want to invest, you can't invest offline, you need to invest online. And there are a number of trading platforms that you can use. You can use Olymp Trade, you can use Expert Option, you can use IQ Option, among other platforms. But for the purpose of this video, since you asked about Olymp Trade, we will be doing Olymp Trade.
Good.
And if you have an account in Olymp Trade and you want to make your first deposit, we have a promo code that you can use to get 30% discount. So if you want to use it, go ahead and use Joon 30, JOON 30, to get 30% discount on each of your deposits that you make on the Olymp Trade platform. Okay, so let's get started. Let's go to the screen and begin the Olymp Trade account registration process. Okay, so if you want to register an account in Olymp Trade, remember again, as I mentioned earlier on, you need an account to be able to invest on any market that is traded online. I'll show you guys each of the markets that are available that you can trade on, each of the assets that are available. There are a number of them. We have indices, we have cryptocurrencies, we have currency pairs, we have futures, we have CFDs, among others. We'll talk about each of those categories later on after we've created an account. But the first thing to do first, let's create an account. And if you don't have an account in Olymp Trade, again, there's a link on the description of this video. Click on it and create your trading account to be at par with everything else that we'll be doing on this video. If you don't have an account, again, click on that link, create your account, use Joon 30 as your promo code for deposit to get up to 30% deposit bonus on your deposit. In the Olymp Trade platform, you can invest on 3 different platforms. We have the Forex platform, we have the fixed time trading platform, and we have the stock point trading platform, which is again another term for investing. If you want to trade in stocks, it means you will be investing in a particular company of your choice. But that is something that we'll talk about more later on as we continue with this episode of how to trade on the Olymp Trade platform, part 1. So this is the Olymp Trade platform. If you've already clicked that link, this is what you'll see on the Olymp Trade platform. There is the login button, and there is the registration button. You need to be 18 years and above to begin trading on any platform. So you can create an account. You can create an account either by clicking on the Apple logo, Facebook logo, or the Google logo. Okay, so those are some of the methods that you can use, or you can just use your email address. So I'll leave you to that. Use your email address or whichever method that you feel comfortable with, so that we may proceed with it. So you need to key in your email address and use your password. You can make it as strong as possible by using the special characters, using words, and using numbers. Again, you need to be 18 years and above. You need to choose your base currency. You'll do that here by clicking on this arrow and choosing if you want your base currency to be USD, among others. Okay, so if you've chosen US dollars, that's okay. So it means the account balance in your account will be shown in US dollars. Okay, yeah, so click on the registration process to go ahead. So a user with the same email address already exists, so it means you had already created an account. What you'll need to do now is just to click on the login button. Click on the login button and try to register. Okay, try to register. Let's see if it will take us to Olymp Trade. So you already have an account in Olymp Trade. That is it. In case you try creating an account in Olymp Trade and you're told that you already have an account, if you forgot your password, just click on forgot password and you will be brought to the Olymp Trade trading platform. So each new account in Olymp Trade comes with 10,000 demo units, as you can see on the screen. The demo account balance for Kennedy is at $10,000. So again, one question that I get asked a lot on our blog, on our social media platforms, is what a demo account is. Okay, yeah. So I'm not sure if you know what a demo account is, or even how it works.
Maybe just from its own name, demo. It means I think that should mean something to demonstrate what you're supposed to do.
Yes, it is a demo account. It is majorly used for training. You can use it to create trading strategies, as we'll see later on this video. And these trading strategies, you can also test them on the demo account, just to get a feel of the trading platform, to understand how the trading platform works before you begin making money with it on the live account. Okay, so each demo account in Olymp Trade comes with 10,000 demo units, and these demo units, sometimes you can trade and overtrade and end up losing everything on that account. Don't worry about that. You can just replenish it back just by clicking on an arrow that will appear somewhere here. Click on that arrow and your account will be replenished back to $10,000. So if you are new to trading, then you must be confused. I'm not sure if you are confused about everything that is happening on the screen right now.
Never traded before, so maybe I'll need more.
Yes, so if you've never traded before, this is what you'll see. This is basically it. You'll see an area chart that keeps on moving, ticking on the screen. Don't worry about that. It only shows how prices are interacting, are moving at any particular time, and it also shows you where the price is, so that when you want to trade, when you want to predict if this asset will be going up or down, you get an edge by just understanding where your the price is coming from. So if you look at the screen at the moment, you'll see the quote price is at 1.06 blah blah blah, which means that if you click the up button, then you are making a prediction that the price of this asset, the Euro USD, will increase in value. So if it increases in value, then it means that at the end of 1 minute, which is the duration that you've set on the screen, the price should be above that level. So it should be above 1.06829. That is if you opened a trade at this level here. The first thing that we need to do at the moment is to look at each of these features that are available on the platform, because you need to understand how the platform works in order to start trading with it. Yeah, do you agree with that? Ama, you don't agree? We just continue.
You really have to know how it works first.
Yes, you really have to know how the platform works before you begin trading with it. And that is again specifically why you always need to trade with a demo account before going to the live account. So just by looking at the platform, you'll see there is a logo here. This is the Olymp Trade logo. Then next to the Olymp Trade logo, you see a currency pair, which is always denoted in the short forms for each currency. For example, euro, which is EUR, is the short form for?
Of course, I know that.
For EUR is the short form for euro, and USD is the short form for the US dollar. Then if you look at this button here next to the currency pair, you see a percentage that is shown there. Okay. So this is the rate of return for this particular currency. So it means that if you trade with $1, if you invest $1 on the Olymp Trade platform and you end up winning, then you will win up to 82% of the amount that you invested. Okay, so if you click on this pair, if you click on that pair, a new window will open up. Okay, so if you look at this, you'll see all the pairs that are currently available to trade on the Olymp Trade platform.